Analog Devices HMC8191 and HMC8193 are passive IQ mixers and cost-effective surface mount packages for test and measurement, mil-aero applications, and base stations. The HMC8191 and HMC8193 offer RF and LO frequency ranges of 6 GHz to 26.5 GHz and 2.5 to 8.5 GHz respectively, with excellent image rejection to simplify filtering, and they can replace several narrowband mixers for a smaller design. The mixers use a double balanced architecture that provides excellent LO to RF and LO to IF isolation, and the passive nature offers a lower noise figure than active mixers, resulting in a higher dynamic range. The HMC8191 and HMC8193 are fabricated on a gallium arsenide MESFET process and use a 4mm by 4mm 24-terminal LCC package.